Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, September 26, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon Thursday, September 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong September 26, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, September 26, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 8.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 15.8 million pesos for September 26, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, September 26, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.